At Haggai Surgical, we don't just manufacture instruments, we build trust. Our products are crafted from premium-grade stainless steel, ensuring precision, durability, and consistent performance in every procedure. Each instrument is quality-checked, autoclave-safe, and designed to meet international standards. With our extensive distribution network, we provide high-quality dental products to professionals worldwide. Our commitment to excellence and reliability ensures that wherever you are, you can access the best tools and supplies for your practice. We prioritize timely delivery so you can trust us to meet your needs, no matter the location. Our global reach allows us to serve dental professionals across the world, offering superior products that enhance patient care. Choose us for dependable service and top-quality dental solutions, delivered to any corner of the globe with precision and care.
Our commitment to quality assurance ensures that every product we offer meets the highest standards. Rigorous testing and stringent quality control processes are in place to guarantee reliability and durability. We stand behind our products with confidence, providing you with the best tools and supplies for exceptional dental care and optimal patient outcomes.
Laser logo marking for permanent branding. Custom sizes and specifications as per requirement. Procedure-based custom kits, private label and custom packaging. Brand colors and design matching. Why this matters to customers. Builds brand recognition in their local market. Creates a premium and exclusive feel. Ensures instruments match specific clinical preferences. Supports OEM and private label business growth. Now I am telling what the customers says about Haggai Surgical Instruments. We are very satisfied with Haggai Surgical Instruments. The finishing, sharpness, and overall build quality are excellent. Our team is using them regularly with great results. Haggai Surgical delivers consistent quality. Every order we received was well packed, properly finished, and ready to use. A reliable long-term supplier. Feel free to contact us or send us a message. We'll be happy to help you choose our best quality products that your clients will truly appreciate and trust.